Hello again, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and I'm working in Jennifer Letkeman's Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal in my Facebook group, Thistledew Creations. And I've already done a long video where I did the flip through and did most of the prompts. So I just have to still decorate a page in here. So I have this journaling card, which is quite stiff. It was done on some sort of packaging material. So I've got the lined paper from Temu on the back, and it's all inked in purple ink. And then this is napkin in the background with a few collaged bits on the front. So I thought I would just include that in the journal in a pocket made out of this beautiful lace from Temu. So I'll cut a piece wide enough here. Looks like we're going to get halfway through this flower here. I think what I'm going to do is cut it out so I don't waste a flower. Like this. Oh no, that's not going to be long enough now. Okay, save that for something else. This, I'm going to glue it so that it's a page tab, and I'm going to cut way over here. See if this one works. Now when you do a pocket out of lace, you probably should back it with something, just so that it's easier to get something in and out of it. I'm not sure that I'm going to do that this time. I think I'm going to just glue it right along the edge, right along the bottom, and then right along halfway through this flower here. So I'm going to glue this all over. Glue's getting goopy. And I'm going to put this down where I want it here. And then glue that down. It's going to kind of be on both pages. And I'll go across the bottom. I'll get 2 rows of glue, so that hopefully that will hold well. Right along these bands. And then right up the middle of this flower. I'll just put some on the flower, hoping that it will stay stuck down. I like that over top of the music paper. And then this coordinating card will just sit in there. Maybe what I'll do is just do a little bit of light inking around the edge with some mauve. I've got this one called Cherry Blossom. It's kind of a pinkish mauve. Let's see if it's about the right color. No, it's too pink. Just as you would expect from Cherry Blossom. I'm digging right to the back of my drawer for this Forever in Time purple. It doesn't have a name. I'm just going to do some edges just so that it kind of coordinates. I'm being careful to start off the page so I don't get any blobs. And that's sort of acting like a tab. I like that. And I just, again, use the elastic to hold them closed. So I'm always saving elastics whenever I get them with the groceries. Or with anything. And then that's going to stick up a bit, which is fine with me. And I should sign my page. I'll sign it in magenta. Sign it over here. Simple, quick. I mean, I already had the card made, so that made it easy. But just a simple pocket made out of lace, and I think that that's going to be nice and sturdy with the 3-in-1 glue holding it down. So thanks for watching. I hope that wasn't too simple for you. I did enjoy creating that little vignette with the lace. I've been dying to use that lace. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.